Hello my dear students, a warm welcome to Power Plant Engineering course code U18ME8018. First of all, heartily congratulations to each and every student for choosing this professional elective course, that is Power Plant Engineering of BTech 8th semester. I am V. Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kids Warangal. In this semester, I will going to explain this course, that is Power Plant Engineering. India is one of the youngest and yet largest democratic republic in the world, having an area of 1.27 million square miles with a population around approximately 140 crores by January 20. Every citizen needs food, cloth, shelter. After satisfying these three parameters, he needs electricity. Electricity is the only form of energy which is easy to produce, easy to transport, easy to use and easy to control. This electricity in bulk quantity is produced by different power plants, that means thermal power plant, nuclear power plant, hydraulic power plant, gas turbine power plant and geothermal power plant. Thermal power plant, nuclear and geothermal power plants work with steam as the working fluid and have many similarities in their cycles and structure. Similarly, gas turbine power plants and nuclear power plants are often used peaking units. They run for short periods in a day to meet the peak load demand. They are, however, being increasingly used in conjunction with a bottoming steam plant in the mode of combined cycle power generation. Hydraulic power plants are essentially multi-purposes. Besides generating power, they also cater for irrigation, fluid control, fissures and navigation, etc. Thermal power plant generates more than 65% of total electricity produced in the world. This syllabus, this power plant engineering course, having 4 units. Each unit contains two chapters. First unit contains energy resources and classifications of resources, present scenario in modern power plants, types of power plants, power potentiality in India. Second chapter contains, that means nuclear power plants contains Indian nuclear power stations, site selection, principle of nuclear fission, fuels, components of reactors, properties of coolants and moderators, types of reactors, boiling water, pressurized water, gas cooled, breeder and liquid metal cooled reactors, and also having types of disposal of nuclear waste. Finally, we will discussing about comparison between nuclear power plants with thermal power plants. Second chapter contains two chapters. First one is steam power plants, second one is combined cycle power plants. The steam power plant contains classification of steam power plants, site selection, modern power plant layout and system components. Also we will discussing about fuel handling system, burning over feed and underfeed stokers, pulverized fuel and its advantages, air circulation, water treatment, cooling towers and types of cooling towers, principle of fluidized bed combustion and its advantages. Also we will discussing about ash handling and dust collection. The second chapter contains topping cycle, bottoming cycle, gas and steam turbine, combined cycle, power plant working principle, layout, advantages, limitations, heat recovery steam generator. In third